So you have fake IDs?
Yeah, I do. I'm young. I'm 20 years old.
Okay.
I like to party.
Oh, my cousin Greg that's tatted on me, G. I did not hit her.
I got up, and that's when he did all this, everything.
It's the biggest shopping day of the year in Joliet, Illinois, where one Walmart employee's sticky fingers may not have been from Thanksgiving leftovers.
I'm saying the account itself is closed.
That's not what you told me this morning.
On July 17th, 2023, officers were dispatched to Regions Bank in response to a report of a woman attempting to cash a fraudulent check.
On May 27, 2023, officers were waiting outside an outlet mall for a group of shoplifters to return to their cars.
All right, Deja. So they got you on camera, basically taking money from the register, putting it in your pocket.
Money? Where?
Yeah. They got you on camera. Let's see it.
Do you have anything else in your pockets?
No, sir. I mean, I'm in.
Okay, I'm gonna have you go ahead and place your items right there. I'm gonna have you turn and face the wall right here. I'm gonna pat you.
Okay. Well, I mean, it's on camera.
Can I see for myself? Please?
I'm going to show you the pictures just to show
Oh,
you.
that's
There's
fine.
a camera like literally right above
I
you.
know that. Of course.
So here's the...
I need you to write a statement about what has happened with this money that we have missing from your registers that you've been on. Okay?
Like, what do I'm confused. What do
So you right?
I hear him.
Okay.
I hear him.
Okay.
Okay?
Like, y'all gonna make me mad. I'm being calm right now because I'm trying to see what's
Okay.
Oh, all right, just write the statement. That's fine.
Like, this is my stuff I bought with my money. Why
Okay,
can't I
so
put it
then
back
write
in
that
my-
on the statement.
I
so that
am.
we can- Okay, you don't need to yell at me. Do what they're
I'm
told
grown
you
as
to do.
hell. Don't talk to me how I'm not talking to you. I'm talking
Okay,
to you how
right now you're
calm.
still at work, so you're
I
gonna
know
do what
that.
work's gonna ask
I
you to do and to
am.
write that
I
statement.
am, but
So
let
you're-
them like what
Seen on
how
video,
am I-
taking money from the registers and putting it in your
So
vest
that's
pocket.
what y'all seen,
Okay?
and that's what I didn't do.
Okay. Well, it's on video.
Okay, I want
It's
to
on
see the video.
Well, I'm telling you. I'm telling you what's on video. Okay?
It's okay. I don't want to write no statement.
Daja's asked to turn in her work property when
You work hard.
Bro, don't touch me. I gotta get my. I gotta get my stuff. Bro, I'm not even. Hold on, I'm still shopping. Okay. I'm telling you. Okay. You just broke my. Okay. Ooh, you just literally broke my.
32.
Oh, y'all serious? I'm suing the out of y'all. What you mean? I'm taking that shit.
Get against the ground.
I swear to God, y'all.
They're good.
You need 10-9. You say rush or no?
Just barely broke my nail, yes. Ooh.
looks like our suspect is getting her manicured. Let's jump ahead. Officers arrive with those belongings she mentioned before.
John, you want to take that and just put it in your car?
You got ID in your purse?
Yeah.
No, that's not my ID. That's not my ID.
Where's your ID at?
It's with pink hair.
What is this one? Why you got Indiana?
It's my fake ID. Yeah, I'm young.
Daja admits to having a fake ID in her purse.
When you go to court,
What you? That is mine. I just took it out my transaction this
well, guess
morning.
what? The bank has transaction history and all that stuff.
Yes,
so
and I can show y'all.
Well, then you could print that and bring it to court, and then you.
But that is.
We'll bring it too. We'll bring it too.
What you mean? Bring it. That is mine.
All right. Hey, Lopez.
Did you park car?
Deja is led out to a patrol car.
Hey, how you guys doing? Good.
ID. I have a debit card as well.
Are you Amanda?
Everybody gives me heck about it, but I mean,
Okay.
I have other banks that.
Yeah, it just feels
Well, I mean, it's been through the
It's
work
just
machine
old.
and it's been through a ringer. It's 4 years old. It's due at the end of this month, and I'm getting my Illinois license. So.
Okay.
I'm sorry. I believe you now.
I know. I told you.
Where are you all?
Well, I like who I'm talking to.
I'm paying on this by the way.
Okay.
I'll be here for you.
Really? You have this happen quite a bit?
Yes.
Where'd the check come from?
The check came certified mail to my house,
Good.
and I had to sign it. And then I called their bank this morning. I called up there to that place up there and to sue them all the way because the Warner trucking, service, whatever, guy had actually rear-ended me. He nicked me and shoved me off the road on the ice. Okay, and so I assumed that came from that. I didn't really know.
Okay. So you.
But I was expecting a check.
So that was 2021.
Right, but I was now, mind you, and she owns that.
Is there anything illegal in your purse? Do you mind if I take a look in there?
No.
Is that okay?
No.
Do you mind if I take a look in there?
Well, yeah, I do because it's my personal business. But
Okay.
No, there's nothing illegal in there. Anyway.
Where would it be?
But, yeah.
Yeah, well.
And I called their bank up there in that town.
Waller and Waller?
Yeah.
Because that's not the name of this company.
That's what they called it, Waller and Waller. That's how she pronounced it to me. Her name's Diana. I can go out to the truck and I can get you the phone number too.
Oh, let me get us.
I can get all of this cleared.
You can get it all cleared.
I can actually, Joseph.
Hey, Amanda, go ahead and stand up front. Put your hands way back for me. Go on.
Why
Go on. You're going to be under arrest for fraud, okay?
Why am I under arrest for fraud? Are you really being serious right now?
Yes, ma'am.
What? No, I'm sorry, but I did not fraud nobody.
Okay.
That is crazy. I did not fraud anybody. I got a check in the mail. This is absolutely... Okay. Why are you calling it fraud? There ain't nothing in there. You know this. I have a good attorney.
That's fine. We do too.
I know.
Yeah. Oh, no. Is it? Yeah. Alright, so that was right here. Ice? Yeah.
The woman was charged with fraud under deceptive practices, false statement, possession of stolen or fraudulent.
Siéntese.
Sí, ya.
¿De dónde es?
Colombia.
Ok. Pase, estire los pies. Take a seat.
Do I have to?
Yes. An ID on you?
No.
No? It's line 2.
Yeah.
What's your first name? Wait, where's their ID?
She don't have on this.
Echo 84 back. Copy 1029P. My name and date of birth. I'm student.
10-4.
I told you to stop them. When you saw us, it looked like he was about to start sprinting.
Yeah, well, yeah, and then I asked Trevor. Trevor's like, Trevor calls me. He's like, oh no, his car is parked right next to theirs. His wife was.
Male with a white shirt and blues, and gray hat walking up to the car parking lot right now.
Can you sit there? Yeah, I can fly. Yeah, 2 people walked there. We got one going to the garbage side and one on the top of the side. Making contact. Come on over here. So I can pick you up Echo. Step 4. Stand up.
And we're going to be 10-12 with all parties.
10-4, take your call. So you see the way there's nothing inside the car? The same way you go here is the same way we...
Verify who you are. Alright?
But you can on my phone,
Listen to me, just talk about the person. Your first name is spelled Jessic.
He's got his ID.
Shoes.
All Nike or?
Yep. the looks of it.